Welcome to Chemicals.ie, where you can get a wide range of off-the-shelf chemicals with fast, efficient delivery. We're going to show you what happens when you place an order. Firstly, search for the chemicals you need and add them to your cart. The online checkout process is simple, quick, and easy. If you have a large or more complex order, or if you need a bespoke chemical manufacturing service, just give us a call. When we receive your order, it automatically registers on our database and our experienced production team check whether it's available. All our most popular chemicals are normally in stock, but if we don't have the chemical you need, we'll start the manufacturing process and confirm a delivery date with you. All products are quality checked and all batches are fully traceable according to procedures defined by the ISO 9001 Quality Management System. When it's ready, your order is loaded onto our approved ADR courier system, where we can track your delivery until it arrives at your chosen destination. All of our couriers are licensed to carry hazardous substances. When you receive your order, you'll join the thousands of happy customers we have supplied. Don't forget, you can also download the material safety data sheet for all of our products from our website. Buy the chemicals your business needs today from Chemicals.ie.